Fortify your English. Understanding. Fortify the position. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that can power up your language skills. Fortify the position. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding such phrases can add depth to your conversations and writings. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this expression together. The phrase, fortify the position, consists of two key words, fortify and position. To fortify means to make something stronger or more defended, especially against attack. This term often relates to enhancing physical strength or defense, but it can also apply metaphorically to arguments, beliefs, or stances. The word position refers to a place where someone or something is located, or a particular way in which someone or something is placed. However, in this context, it often means a situation or stance taken on an issue. When we say, fortify the position, we're talking about strengthening one's stance or situation against challenges or criticism. This can be in a literal sense, such as in military strategy, where it means making a defensive position more secure against attacks. Metaphorically, it can apply to debates or discussions, where someone might fortify their position by providing stronger arguments or evidence to support their viewpoint. 1. Historical military usage. In history, commanders fortified their positions with walls, trenches, or other defenses to protect against enemy forces. 2. Debate or argument. In a debate, a participant may fortify their position by citing reliable sources or presenting logical arguments that reinforce their point of view. 3. Personal conviction. One might fortify their position on a moral issue by gathering evidence and testimonials that support their ethical stance. Use it when discussing topics that involve defense or argumentation. Remember, it can be used both literally and figuratively. Practice using the phrase in different contexts to become comfortable with its application. That's all for today's exploration of the phrase, fortify the position. I hope this video has strengthened your understanding of this expression and its usage in the English language. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn fortifies your position as an English speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.